Okay, so good morning friends. Good morning friends. Standard 1 Commerce, subject statistics and chapter number 2, that is linear correlation. Up to last video that we learned about Karl Pearson product movement method. First of all, in this chapter that we learn about first of all what is correlation, then positive, negative, okay, then perfect positive, perfect negative, partial positive, partial negative, and no relation. That we learn with the help of graph. Then three methods are there that we discuss. First method that we are discussing, that with the help of graph, that first method is there. Second method that is discussed, that is Karl Pearson product movement method, which is totally based on formula. Right now friends, third method that we are going to start, and third method is again it's a depend on formula, and that is Spearman rank correlation method. Okay, so third type, three types is there. First one is scatter diagram method, second one that is Karl Pearson product movement method, and third one that is Spearman rank correlation method. First of all, why it is needed, in which situation this type of formula or this type of method that we have to use. So normally when we can see, okay, in quantitative data, Karl Pearson product movement method is the best method. That we already learned, already we calculate the many examples related to it. So here in a quantitative data, Karl Pearson product movement method is best. But when data is on the base of qualitative data, rank correlation method is there. For example, honesty, time punctuality, okay, judgment of groups, ethics, attitude, behavior. See, these all types of things are there. Which type of relation? That qualitative. If data is based on totally qualitative, at that time this type of relation that we have to find out with the help of rank correlation method. Next one, this method is suggested by Charles Spearman. The author name is Charles Spearman, and that's why we are taking the name of this method, that is Spearman's rank correlation method. Okay, with the help of this surname, whole method is established. For example, a study of relationship between two attributes, number one that is honesty and number one that is punctuality. So both the things are there, which is totally based on qualitative. So with the help of Spearman rank correlation method, we can find out. Number two, study of relation between the judgment of two judges in a beauty contest. So again, it's again depend on qualitative as well as quantitative data. Here, this method is used in both the situation, either it is qualitative or quantitative. This method is useful for anyone, whether it is qualitative data, whether it is quantitative data. Okay, and what is the formula? That is R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. So this is the formula, 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. And what is the formula of d? So d is equal to rx minus ry. Okay, so how we can find out the rank correlation method? First of all, whatever information is given, what we are doing? We are converting that information into ascending or descending order. Normally we are converting into descending order. That first, whatever bigger amount is there, we are giving rank number 1, second, third, same as. And it is called, whatever x information of x is there, x and y, two variable is there, into x we have converted xy, rx, and into y with the help of rank we have converted ry. And rx minus ry, then we have to find out d, and we have to do the square of d, that is d square. So in this way, and thereafter with the help of this formula, we have to find out the value of R, that is rank correlation method. Okay. For the understanding, let us take next example, that is example number 16. Okay. So here we are going to calculate example number 16. So what is the example? First of all, I need 7 employees are selected from the company. 7 employees. It means that n is equal to 7. Okay. So 7 employees they are taken. They are judged by two management from the companies in terms of their administrative skill. The rank given by them are as follows. Okay. So directly rank is given. When in any example directly rank is given, then there is no need to find out again rank, because directly rank is given. Okay. So here we are going to discuss and write employee A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 employees are there, so up to G. Okay. Thereafter, first that is Rx, second that is Ry. Okay. Fine. So here first is given, that is first of all I draw table, so it can be so easy for us. Okay. 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 1 and 3. Okay, so this is the example. With the help of this information, what we have to find out? We have to find out rank correlation method. Okay, so we have to find out rank correlation method. First of all, we have to write the formula. Okay, so here what is the formula? So here formula is R is equal to, so here R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. So this is the formula. First of all, what we have to find out? We have to find out D. Okay, so we have to find out D, that is Rx minus Ry. Okay, and in second one, what we have to find out? We have to find out D square. Okay, so this is a column of D, then D square. Fine. So it's a very easy example. Only with the help of two steps, we have to find out the rank correlation method. Okay. Now what we have to do? Rx minus Ry. So Rx minus Ry. 6 minus 7 minus 1. 7 minus 6 1. 5 minus 5 0. 4 minus 2 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this is the value of D. Now what we have to find out? We have to do square of this. So here square of 1 1 1 1 0 0. 2 square 4. 1 square 1 1 no 1 2 no 4. Now total 1 2 plus 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So answer is 12. So this is answer of D square. See friends, what we have to do? First of all, we have to given Rx and Ry directly. So what we are doing? We are converting Rx and Ry. It's directly given, so no need to find out Rx and Ry. Then what we have to do? We have to find out D. D is equal to Rx minus Ry. How we can find out? 6 minus 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6, 5 minus 5, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 4. 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3. And what we have to do? We have to do square of it. Okay, whatever answer that we have to go, we have to find, we have to do square of it. Okay, so here the square of 1 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 4, minus 1, 1, 1 1 minus 2 4. Answer is 12. So with the help of this information, now we are going to find out the rank correlation. Okay, so here 1 minus 6 sigma d square. Sigma d square is answer is 12. So here 12 divided by n is equal to 7 because 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 directly 7 is given. 7 square minus 1. 1 minus 12 into 6 72. 7 square 49 minus 1. 1 divided by 72 divided by 7 into 48. 1 minus 72 divided by 7 into 48, that is 336. So 1 minus 0 point division 2 1 4 3 0.7857. Third digit is 5. 0.79. Okay, so this is the answer of R. See, in comparison of Karl-Pearson method, this method is too much easy. Okay, because what we have to do, only we have to convert Rx and Ry if it is not given. In this example, it is directly given. So Rx minus Ry, so D is equal to Rx minus Ry. Whatever answer is there, we have to put the square, and with the help of formula, we have to find out. Okay, so this is the first example, example number 16. Write down. So here, after the completion of example number 16, now we are going to discuss about example number 17. Okay, so here example number 17, then we are going to calculate now. What is the question? The owner of chain of mobile phone shop selling the mobile phone of various brand invited an expert person. The owner asked him to check the rank of 10 different mobile phone. 10 different mobile phone, n is equal to 10. Okay. Now second one, mobile phone regarding its camera and battery efficiency. The rank is already given. The rank given by the expert of 10 mobile phone of different brand are as given below. Okay. So mobile phone is given, efficiency of battery and efficiency of camera. First is given efficiency of camera. So efficiency of camera it is denoted by Rx. Efficiency of battery it is denoted by Ry. Okay. So here mobile number 1, that is mobile phone. First of all, mobile phone. So here that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. 10 mobiles are there. So we have to divide it into 10 parts. Then Rx, second column, Ry, third column. Rank is directly given. So D, Rx minus Ry, that is column number 4. And finally, that is whatever answer we get in D, we have to do square of it, that is D square. Okay, so this is a table regarding this example. Fine, this is the table. Now data is there, then we have to put 3 5 8 4 7 10 2 1 6 9. For battery, that is Ry, 6 4 9 8 1 2 3 10 5 and 7. So this is the data which we have to useful and find out the R. First, what is the formula of R? R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma t square upon n. n square minus 1. This is the formula. Now on the basis of formula, we have to find out two things. Number one, that is d. Second one is d square. How we can find out d? Rx minus ry. Okay, so we have to find out that is Rx minus ry. Okay, so here 3 minus 6 minus 3, 5 minus 4 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 7 minus 1 6, 10 minus 2 8, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 10 minus 1 minus 9, 6 minus 5 1, 9 minus 7 2. So this is the answer of D. Okay, now D square. Okay, the square of D. Square of 3, 9, 1, 1, 16, 36, 64, 1, 81, 1, 4. So again, it's a easy task. Okay, as we know that square of 3, 1, 1, minus 4, 6, 8, 1, 9, 1, 2. Now what we have to do? We have to make the total. So total of D square, that is 214. This with the help of calculator you can do in a easiest manner. Second one, what is R? 1 minus 6 sigma d square 214 divided by 10, 10 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 214 divided by 10, 100 minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 214, that is 1284 divided by 10, 99. 1 minus 1284 divided by 990. 1 minus 1284 divided by 990, answer is 1.2970 minus 0.2970, third digit is 7 minus 0.30. So this is the answer of R. It's a negative correlation as we know, because answer is in negative form. So it's a negative correlation between Rx and Ry. Whatever two information is given, camera and battery, efficiency of camera and battery, this mobile comparison of mobile, it's told a negative correlation between two things. Okay, so this is the example number 7. Now example number 18. Okay, so what is the example number 18? Let's see. The principal of school has conducted a test for 5 students selected in a sample of judge the relation between the knowledge of mathematics and memory ability in the subject of history of the student. How many students? 5. So first of all, n is equal to 5. This is the first one. Friends, 5 find. Second one, two types of information is given. First of all, mathematics, that is Rx, and memory ability of history Ry. So mathematics X, history Y. The ranks given to those 5 students in subject of mathematics and history are as given below. Find out the rank correlation efficient between ranks of two judgment using this information. Okay, so here student is there. So first of all, I will write student. As we know, 5 students are there. So name probably A, B, C, D, and E. So this is the student. R X, R Y. Then what we have to find out? With the help of R X and R Y, what we have to find out? B R X minus R Y and D square. Okay, so 5 things that we have to find out. That is 2 is already given, and rest of 2 that we have to find. Okay, so here what is rank is given? Rx 25143, 25143, and 41523. So again first of all, what is the r? So r is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square n square minus 1. So what we have to find out? We have to find out first of all value of r, and for the find out of value of r, first of all we have to find out value of d. So here 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 2, and 3 minus 3, 0. Now square of it, minus 2 square, 4, 4, 16, again minus 4, 16, 2, 4, 0, 0. Okay, so answer is 14. Now this 14 that we have to use to find out 1 minus 6 sigma d square is equal to 40. This 40 that we have to write down here. N is equal to 5, so 5 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 240, 6 into 40 is equal to 240. 5, 25 minus 1. 1 minus 240 divided by 5 into 24. 1 minus 240 divided by 120. 1 minus 2 minus 1. So this is the answer of r. So r is equal to minus 1. It's a complete negative correlation between two things. Okay. So this is the example number 17 and example number 18. So with the help of this d and d square, we can find out the rank correlation method. Okay. Thank you. Write down. So here, after the completion of example number 18, now example number 14. What is the example number 14? Sorry, 19. The singing talent of 5 singers A, B, C, D, E was judged by 2 judges in a singing competition. The rank assigned to 5 singers are as follows. Okay. So 2 judges there. They are given the singing, in the singing competition, and 5 singers are there. So what we have to do? With the help of this information, that we have to find out the rank correlation with the help of Spearman rank correlation method. Okay. So here, first of all, singer is there. So singer A, B, C, D, and E. 5 singer is there. Okay. Here different kind of information is given. That's why we have to calculate with the help of data, and carefully we have to find. There is judge number 1, that is Rx. Judge number 2, Ry. D, Rx minus Ry. Okay. And last we have to find out D square. Okay. This is a D square. Okay, fine. So here, now see carefully. A is given number 2. Okay. So here number 2. B 3. C 1. D 5. And E 4. See different information, that cross information is given. Same as Ry. A 4. So here 4. B 1, here B, C 2, here 2, D 3, here 3, E 5. So here 5. See, last time it's directly given, but in here, in this example, it's given in different way. Okay. So we have to write down just like this. Again, what is the value of R? 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Okay, so we have to find out d. 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3 minus 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1. square of it 4 4 1 4 1 8 9 10 14. So answer is 14. So in this way we have to find out 1 minus 6 into 14 divided by 5 square minus 1. 1 minus 14 into 6, that is 84, divided by 5, 25 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 84 divided by 5 into 24. 1 minus 84 divided by 5 into 24, 120. 1 minus 84 divided by 120, 0.7, 0.3. 1 minus 0.7 is equal to 0.3. Okay, so in this way we are going to find out value of r with the help of rank correlation method. What we learn, first of all, when it is used, and then illustration number 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. That 4 illustrations that we have to calculate in this example. Now on next video that we learn about example number 20. In that particular video what we learn, how we can convert from information is given, that we have to convert that in rank, and then we have to find out r. That we see in next video. Okay, thank you.